Hi, welcome to the Module 6 overview video. This module is about Microsoft Excel 2013. This module highlights how to use Microsoft Excel and develop oneself to be an intermediate user of Microsoft Excel. This will give you a career advantage over other people who do not know Microsoft. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program used primarily for storing, arranging, and manipulating data. Microsoft Excel features calculations, graphing tools, pivot tables, macro programming language, VBA programming. Your calculations can be simple calculations such as averages, sum total, subtraction, and division. You also have graphing tools which you can display regression graphs, you can display table graphs, you can display line graphs, and you have your pivot tables used for large quantities of data. Businesses use Excel. Businesses frequently use Excel to sort their data, organize their data, compute calculations, data analysis tools, creating charts, graphs, tables to display data. Almost every business uses some form of Excel. Excel is very important to use when you have large quantities of data. Microsoft Excel is composed of cells, rows, columns, and sheets. This is the very simplest form of Excel. You have your cell, and a cell can be called A1 or A2, B1, B2. And then you have your rows. Your rows will be 1, 2, 3, and your columns will be the A, B, C. When you open Excel, you will see rows, columns, cells, and sheet 1 if you just open a blank document. There will be no data displayed. You have to input all your data. You can input data from other files, though, into your Excel. Like you can input data from Access to input data into some of the uses of Excel. You can use pivot tables as a data summarization tool. It features direct query to retrieve data. It summarizes large quantities of data. You have the what-if analysis, VLOOKUP, index/match. And there's also more tools in Excel. You can create your own kind of calculations, your own equations to compute in Excel. It has a very large use in Excel. Things to know. There's a quick help function. There's absolute and relative referencing. Absolute, if you put your equation absolute, you have to use the dollar signs for absolute sign, and that will keep that formula or number permanent. It will not be changed if you copy it to another sheet. There's the fill handle, where you can start filling in numbers. There's a drop-down feature also with the fill handle, where let's say you start typing in 2011, 2012, 2013 in your first, 3 cells, and then you drag with your little tool, drag it down. It will continue doing it with 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. That's a feature of Excel. You want to audit your formula. To audit a formula, you should display formulas instead of results. This will make sure that you do not have an error in your formula. There's the paste special options. You can paste just the number, or you can paste the equation into another cell. So make sure you can right-click a cell and use the paste special options. Printing Excel. Before you print, you should examine the print preview. You may want to adjust your print area. Sometimes if you have more cells or less of cells you want to be printed, you want to make sure it fits on your page and it looks nice on your page. For example, if you don't really highlight the area fully, some of the cells will not be printed. You can center your data in the print area. You can change your page margins and add page breaks to add more to a page or to add less to a page. You can hide data by hiding rows and columns if you don't want a certain column to be shown in your print area. For your career, it is important to have intermediate and advanced knowledge of Microsoft Excel. If you really enjoy working in Excel, you could become a data analyst, a financial analyst, working in the accounting field, working in the marketing department for any kind of sales quota, any kind of data analysis for marketing, any kind of data analysis that uses Excel, you can become in your career. Thank you for watching Module 6 overview video.